what's up, what's happening, what's going on, wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hey. If you're not, what's up? It's Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year. It's finally 2021, y'all. We made it into the new year. Hopefully this year is prosperous for all of you. And yes, let's get into this video. I made a purchase from PrettyLittleThing online. I do a lot of online shopping, especially because of, you know, the whole quarantine, COVID-19. I've been doing a lot more online shopping. So I made this purchase back in early December from PrettyLittleThing. My order consisted of 6 individual orders, but I have maybe like I have 2 sets in 2 separate orders. Yeah. So it's going to be a total of 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let me go ahead and open the package. It's right here. I hope the label wasn't showing. Was the label showing? But yeah, it's not open. So let me get my scissors. Open this up. Yes, baby. It's like Christmas all over again. If you've been watching me, then you know that I love my skin tone. Well, I love my skin tone, yes. But I love items or like clothing or lingerie or whatever, undergarments that complement my skin tone. So like even today I have on a burgundy top. I love like burgundy. I love copper. I love bronzy colors. I love chocolate, mahogany, all that type of stuff. So in this particular order, I did order a lot of chocolate colored underwear. So also check out my video on Savage X Fenty. I did a haul on some my flesh tone color, so chocolate, you know, haul on their lingerie. So I'll link that video below, the Savage X Fenty, so you can check that out on all the flesh tone, you know, bras. Got like 1 thong and the rest were bras for that video. So anyways, PrettyLittleThing. Okay, so in this haul, I got a whole bunch of like chocolate colored underwear. And there's more in the bag. So anyways, let me start. Okay, so this first one is, it says inclusive toast bralette and short lingerie. Okay, so this is a set. It's in the color toast, and it was originally $15, but 20% off, so I got it for $12 for the set. Little boy shorts, and they're kind of see-through a little bit. Can you see my nails through it? Kind of, but not really. It's kind of see-through, especially once you put it on and it stretches out a little bit. And then this is just like a little bra top, like a little bra crop top type situation. This is a cute little loungy set. A little croppy top and some little matching shorts. So that's definitely cute. And against my skin tone, baby, yes. Yes, love it. The next item is the inclusive espresso high-waisted mesh thong. All right, and this is in the color espresso. Originally $18, on sale 20% off for $14.40. And this is what it's looking like right here. Definitely mesh, baby. You see the wall behind me? See my nails? It's definitely mesh. I love the waistband. It has a nice thick elastic waistband, and the protective lining right there. It's cute. This is cute. And against my skin tone, yes. Love it. Love it. Next up is the inclusive espresso high-waisted mesh thong. I ordered 2 of these. Okay, so I got 2 of the same. Okay, so that's that. Can't go wrong with 2. You know, can't go wrong with 2. All right. This is the inclusive espresso tone face mask. Okay, I got me a face mask. Okay. And the face mask was originally $10, 20% off, so $8. And this is what it's looking like. I fucks with this. And it has like a little protective lining in there too. Yes, baby. Skin tone. Okay. So next up is the Inclusive Espresso Tone Face Mask. Okay, I got 2 of these as well. All right. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see. This is the Inclusive Toast Triangle Bra High Waist Lingerie Set. This was originally $15, on sale for $12. And let's check this out, baby. Let's check this set out. All right, so here are the thongs. See-through a little bit. Well, this little triangle bra top, it doesn't have any kind of support. None whatsoever, baby. Like, nothing. Okay? It's no support. But it's gonna be cute, though. It's gonna be cute. I mean, don't go jumping around or nothing. Because, baby, yes. Super cute. It's still cute. I love everything. I have 2 more items. 2 more items. These are some earrings. Because you know I love my accessories. Cute. They are cute, baby. Okay, pretty little things. All right, pretty little thing. All right. The earrings are $9, regular price, 20% off. They were $7.20. Cool. And the last thing are some booty shorts, baby. You know, I can't live without my booty shorts. Okay. Booty shorts, body rider, all day. So, here they are. These are the mid-wash extreme thigh, baby. I mean, they all the way up the thigh. Extreme thigh rip denim shorts. This was $17.50, 20% off for $14. Okay. All right. Oh, look at them thighs. Girl, let me go put these on. I'm hyped. I hope they fit. Because I be struggling with jeans, denim, period. You know how it be. Sometimes they don't have that, like, stretch. The material is not quite right. So, sometimes they be stiff as hell. These do not feel like they have any stretch whatsoever. Like, bruh, ain't no stretch. Yes, let me go try them on, okay? Pray for me, y'all, because I really like these. Pray for me.
So we pray, our Father, who art in heaven.
Oh, baby. Baby, they fit. They got up my thighs and my butt. Let me see if it zips up and if it buttons up. And these are a size 8. Woo. Okay, so right now they not really buttoning, but they up though. Y'all, this is what it's giving right now. We need like a little bit. Like, I'm gonna really try and button these for real, for real. All right, hold up. Damn. Shouldn't have had that oxtail or the rice and peas or, oh wait, y'all. Ah, shit. Yo, do y'all struggle like this or is it just me? See, it's almost. Woo! I'm not sure exactly how much of that struggle I'm going to keep in the video. But, yeah, bitch. So, baby girl got these shorts up over the ass, over the thighs. And I got them buttoned and zipped up. Okay. So, yeah, these are size 8 in the mid-wash extreme thigh rip denim shorts. Whew. Yeah, so, these cute. I'm feeling real. Hey. Whew. Okay. So yeah, y'all. That's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed everything that I got. And hope y'all purchase some of these items. I mean, why not? They cute. I don't know if the sale's still going on though. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Let me know which item did you like the best. Are you feeling these shorts or not? I am. Hit the subscribe button, baby. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. And whew, I'm going to see y'all next time. Later.